Welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development course, beginners to expert. In this lecture, we'll see how we can create a border page. Just click on Add Page here in the pages and write the title About Us. And in the description, you can give About Us. We are looking for to developing using goals. So it like that, and all are going for mention all over the work. So this was a description of about us page, and from here you can select, you can see the default page template, and then you can just click on save. Saving, we will preview this like how our about us page is showing. So more on, you can add different things like here the complete stories with some images in it, just like here as well as the cleaning. You can also put some image here, correct images, uploaded images, but this we can click the style, it's thumbnail. You can also generate this, so insert it. It means save. We have to do some settings, and then hold the speed will be like this. So I hope you understand about this page. Thanks. Bye.